Hey, and welcome to Stay at Home Time with Robin and African Payment Solutions. I thought I'd talk today about kind of looking at the immediate problems and then how we could ride the wave, how Africa might look, where the opportunities may be from an online payments and e-commerce perspective. Not just the short term, medium, long term. So I was watching a talk by Tim Draper to the Harvard University, and he was saying, think 15 years time, look at the trend, ride the wave. There's always an opportunity, and life will never be the same again after COVID. Use this as an opportunity to realign yourself to what's going to be really big in 15 years time. And that is quite interesting and thought-provoking. And then if I think about Africa, there's going to be a lot of young adults coming into the economy. They'll probably be very well internet connected. They'll be keen to work and to buy. Already you can get paid fairly easily across Africa. Because of COVID, it's probably going to be contactless. They're already pretty contactless using USSD and other mobile payment methods. I saw today that Bitcoin is peer-to-peer Bitcoin has the highest growth rate in the world across Africa at the moment over the last few weeks. And online ordering is going to become more prevalent. The infrastructure associated with online ordering is a good, what do they say, picks and shovels. So that's a good area to focus on. Cross-border remittances, because the African GDPs are under a bit of strain, and so people will be needing more money to be sent home. I see one of the companies, WorldRemit, I think, are investing right now in their remittance infrastructure to cater for that. People are going to want to earn money, so e-commerce companies like Amazon, Alibaba, selling things like leather making kits and anything that's going to provide an aspiring entrepreneur with a way to make money. Then local trade will be a little more than international. International markets are going to be a bit depressed for the next few years. And so the local trade across Africa will be become more prevalent. And Africans have already leapfrogged straight to the mobile. So don't even bother with a Mac or a PC. Everything needs to be geared for smartphones. Smartphone penetration will be incredibly high. They'll be very well connected. Cost of bandwidth will be less. The connectivity will be higher. And then obviously the payment systems associated will become more easy to use. Already I can see there's a whole myriad of things happening. At the moment it's cards and mobile monies, which isn't likely to change that much, but there's already mesh networks, ways that we've connected to different countries, different providers, to be able to provide a cross pan-African payment solution with local currencies. And central bank digital currencies are going to become, there's a number of projects that they're working on. And so the ability to be able to transact, that's going to definitely lubricate the wheels of payments. For real-time gross settlements will become probably a lot more common than they are now. So the other thing is Bitcoin and Lightning Network. Because of the popularity of Bitcoin, I reckon that payment with Bitcoin and Lightning Network will become something that's quite prevalent in the next 5 to 10 years. So that's all from me today. I hope that was interesting for you. Thanks very much. If you're looking for payment across Africa, go to africanpaymentsolutions.com, send us an inquiry, and we will get you paid at the checkout. That's all from me. Have a fantastic day. We'll chat tomorrow.